This is Forensics, What Time Is It? As part of UTCTF 2023. It says, SuperSecure's database was recently breached. One of the employees reported a potential phishing incident. Blah, blah, blah. The Linux email server wasn't correct. You need to figure out the timestamp within the email, and we're given this email file. It seems like a pretty silly challenge, but I actually enjoyed it quite a bit. So this is what the email file looks like, and we're supposed to figure out when this email was actually sent. And we look here, there's a date right at the top. But this date is client reported, and so it's not actually when the email was sent. It could be, but anyone can spoof this and put whatever they want. And the challenge is saying we have to figure out when this email was actually sent, which seems crazy. At first, I kind of dismissed this challenge because I thought, maybe we're supposed to just guess a couple seconds before or after, or figure out some time zone issue, but it didn't seem right. So eventually me and a teammate went back and we were able to figure it out. And the answer is actually this multipart boundary. Apparently, these multipart boundaries, so yeah, the content type multipart alternative, which is used as a boundary for delimiting when different sections start and end, this actually includes a timestamp in it. I just had no idea. So eventually, we did quite a bit of Googling, and eventually we found this article. It says how to decode Gmail MIME boundary delimiters. And so basically, you just kind of follow this algorithm. We're going to strip off the last byte. Then we're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. We're going to swap it and then convert that to decimal, and that'll be our timestamp. So if we go here, we'll take out this, copy, open up a new tab. We get rid of the first couple of bytes, or the first byte. Then it said 6 characters. We're going to take that, put it at the very end. Was it 6 characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 0, 5. Cool. Then we're going to take this. This is in hex. This is kind of a silly way, but let me move that to the top. I do Python. I just do OX to convert from hex. And then we have this looks like a Linux timestamp, but we can do a Linux timestamp, epoch converter. Perfect. We'll do that. And so it's in microseconds, and we get out this time. So the challenge wanted it in GMT, and so you just take this and put it in the correct flag format. There wasn't anything special about that, but yeah, the real meat of the challenge was I just had no idea that these multi-part boundaries would have a timestamp in them. It's a fun little trick, so cool challenge.